Welcome to episode number 39 of Turning $100 into $1 million, the series where I risk a whopping $100 of my money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn it into $1 million. We do have another stock to look at a little bit later on in this episode, but we're going to be looking at my current profit and loss numbers. And if you would like free stocks with my link down below, you can go in and sign up. You can get free stocks. Go and use my link down below, and you'll get 2 free stocks, one valued up to $1,400 when you use my link down below and sign up with Webull. So we'll take a look now at my profit and loss numbers. So we have RF currently standing at 162 in the green, or 7.46% up. DGLY 43.56 down, or 47.94% in the red. Levi, it's coming back almost at break even now with 44 cents down, or just 1.68%. So really just a day trade or two. A trade day rather, or two worth of losses to make up there, and I'll be in the green with Levi in no time. We have Viacom 1237 up, or 81.38% up. OXLC 560 in the red, or 14.06 in the negative. Look at the charts. So RF did have a pretty good day today, up over 1% or 14 cents, closed at 1168. 5 days maintaining in the green. We're looking at, for the 5-day chart, we're looking at about 2.91% in the green for the 5 days. The 1 month also in the green, so RF's looking great now. And that's going to be roughly looking at about 10% gain for the month there. 6 months still holding in the red, but of course that's including pre-pandemic. Otherwise though, it's been on a pretty steady uptrend with RF, so I'm satisfied with RF. I'll still be holding on to that strong. DGOY, actually after hours some action there. We'll see what happens with DGLY, but after hours, it did tick up about 4%, 8 cents there after hours, so we'll see what happened. Perhaps some news, or just a dead cat bounce right now, if it's been digging such a deep hole and just some life had to be injected into it. But it did close at 207 before the after hours. 5 days is technically still in the green, but only just about 2 cents there. 1 month, you can see that noticeable drop, where I took a hit with DGLY. I could have sold it, when I first bought it. It was in the green when I first bought it, and I was holding on. Perhaps I should have sold then, but I'm still holding. 6 months, you can see what's going on here. It had the massive uptick, came down again, some life, then down again. Now we're just waiting to see what the pattern will indicate next. Levi's stock, a little bit down today, but I'm very close to being in the green with Levi, and the 5-day chart does show that. Does signify an uptrend coming on here. 1 month, technically still in the green. Not terribly much though. Looking at a little bit over 4% for the 1 month. 6 months, if you don't include the pre-pandemic, not by much, but if you don't include pre-pandemic, it is just slightly in the green. Year to date, you could see even more action there if you look at what happened January 1st to today's date. Viacom, 7 cents down today. 5 days maintaining the green. Over 1.5% for the 5 days. 1 month even better. Looking at over 11% for the 1 month. Even the 6 months there, including the pre-pandemic, you are still getting a positive return on Viacom, even if you include pre-pandemic. It's been only in the green, only today. Just tick down a little bit, 1/4 percentage point. But for the 5 days, 1 month, and 6 months, it is still in the green. And the year to date, of course, will show a little bit more of the story. Crack through the 30s there. I should be selling this stock rather soon. We have OXLC. OXLC, if you include after hours, pretty much just broke even today. 5 days, basically break even as well. The 1 month, though, it is still up at about 3% there. 6 months, more of the story. You can see it started back in February. It's at $8 and change, even at $9 and change at one point, if you go further back. But the stock I want to look at in today's episode has been on the up and up. Everyone's been talking about it, and for the first time in a long time, we're not looking at a penny stock today, although it was, in some people's definition of a penny stock, it was a penny stock, but now it is nowhere near a penny stock anymore. And that is this stock. You might have heard of it. Everyone's talking about it. Word on the street, talking about Tortoise, like the turtle. And today was down $1 and change. but the price is so high that it really didn't even matter. It's just a normal trading day for this stock. 5 days, you see a glimpse of what's been happening, but that's just a fraction of the gains that have been going on with this stock. If you look at the 1 month, you can see it was in fact about 20. Go even further, and this stock was under 10 bucks back in June, just weeks ago. So if you knew to buy, you would have made some hefty gains if you bought then and held till now. So whether you bought it in April or whether you bought it in June, did not matter. You almost got a 300% gain there, no matter what point in time that you bought before June 19th. So had you just bought before June 19th, even then, of course, nice gain there, about 200%. Some people sold here, I'm sure, but then it came up even more so. So what's been going on with Tortoise acquisition? And what is this company all about? Well, let's take a look. Well, here's a nice way to put it. The Tortoise has turned into a hare. Hare meaning the bunny, not hair on the head. The stock is SHLL, that's the ticker symbol. And you can see Tortoise Acquisition Corp Class A shares soar on second SPAC energy acquisition eyed. Tortoise Acquisition Corp Class A stock is trading around 36 bucks, down from Monday's close of $40, but well above the 52-week low of $9.50, recorded only in June. As the initial suggests, SHLL may indicate that the firm is a shell company, raising money in order to acquire another one, allow a quote backdoor IPO. Tortoise is classified as a special purpose acquisition company, or an SPAC, which is already present in the stock market and allows for an unlisted company to begin trading. So while those who have bought ticker symbol SHLL stock at the peak may be disappointed by Tuesday's decline, it can be seen as a natural correction after Monday's surge, and that increase was underpinned by Tortoise's announcement that it is raising more money, allowing it to deploy that cash and allow market access to a company in the energy sector. When an announcement of such an acquisition comes, it could jolt Tortoise acquisition to higher ground. And why is that? Well, investors have been gobbling up shares of companies making electric vehicles, running on batteries that are in growing demand. Any investment may save the purchase company funds required to list its shares and an opportunity for investors to buy into the trend. For Tortoise, it looks like a win-win situation. Then here's why SHLL, or Tortoise Acquisition stock, seems to be the strongest SPAC of the year. As the author had previously stated in an article prior, the SHLL stock price will not stay at $14. This was 2 months ago that they predicted that. $10,000 invested back then is now $26,000 because Tortoise Acquisition Corp Class A share price skyrocketed today to $37. With this price, SHLL is the best SPAC performer so far this year. If the author remembers correctly, the stock Nikola, or NKLA, which I covered in a previous episode, that stock price went to some $20-ish before the merger only skyrocketed to over $90 once the deal was done. But what's behind this sudden surge? Well, just one SEC 1 filing today, and we are already witnessing the history as once again SPAC investors are flooding the market with fresh money. Companies filing for IPO and registering 28.5 million shares. According to analysts and that author, this stock has more than enough room to go, and even if you got in today, it's not too late. It's raising more money, it's looking strong, it's healthy. This stock could have a lot more room. Let me know down below in the comments, would you buy this stock and how far do you think this stock can go? If you are holding this stock, what are you betting on it to close at before you sell it? Let me know your thoughts on this stock down below in the description. Net account value paints a better picture than it was just days ago or episodes ago. Now stands at 161.96, about 162. Better than the 150s and obviously higher than $100. Once Levi gets into profit, I think I might be selling that stock soon. Viacom definitely ready to pull the trigger on that one, but I'm just holding strong, just staying vigilant on that stock. RF, if I can get more into the green, let's say I can reach maybe a 10, 15, 20% gain on RF, I'll definitely sell it, but that was the free stock I got, so I'm not complaining there. Again, if you would like free stocks, use my link down below in the description. You get 2 free stocks, one valued up to $1,400 when you use my link down below and sign up the Weeble. Let me know what free stock you do get. I'll be happy to see it. Tell me down below in the comments what stock you end up getting. I'll share the stock that I got, as I have done in previous episodes. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and if you want to see more videos on my channel, I post videos every single week, and you can go in and click that big red button, the subscribe button, and hit that little notification bell as well, so you're notified every single time I make a new video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.